Justin, the easiest way to explain it, if you put both panes of glass to one side, remove the mounting screws on the side jamb. Should be, what, 4 of them? And then this piece and this piece, if you have a second person basically lift up, it will allow a second person to reach down at the bottom, push out the existing bumper, slide this one in its place, gently set it back down, and then reinstall the new bumpers that go inside the channel. And then if you do that for both sides, that should take care of both of them. I imagine the first one might be a little lengthy, but after that they should kind of find a rhythm in what works for them. May need to score silicone joint on the interior if you've siliconed this piece in place. That should be about it. Call me if you have any other questions.